Navigate the Odoo maze without losing your cool. Are you lost in a maze of modules? Or maybe you're drowning in a sea of updates? We've got the ultimate guide to help you navigate the Odoo universe without breaking a sweat. Address these 10 common challenges like a pro. Module overwhelm, lost in a sea of options? Update anxiety, updates got you on edge? Client expectation management, clients asking for the moon? Customization confusion, too many tweaks, too little time? Data migration dilemmas, transition troubles? Time zone troubles, juggling clients across the globe? Community catch-up, feeling out of the loop? Billing and pricing pressures, confused about costs? Integration issues, struggling with system synergy? Documentation deadlines, buried in paperwork? Gear up for a journey filled with actionable tips, expert wisdom and practical know-how that will make you an Odoo wizard. Craving for more? Click the link in the description to dive into the deep end of Odoo consulting wisdom. Smash that like, hit share, follow us and subscribe for a goldmine of Odoo know-how.